India's diverse geography has recently captured the spotlight in environmental studies. Spanning from the towering Himalayan mountains to the arid deserts of Rajasthan, India's varied ecosystems support a remarkable array of biodiversity. This rich variety in climate and terrain is home to numerous unique species, highlighting the country's ecological importance. India is also renowned for its extensive river systems, such as the Ganges and the Brahmaputra, which play a vital role in sustaining agriculture and urban settlements. These natural resources are essential for the country's agricultural sector and overall economic development, underscoring their value in supporting the nation's growth and sustainability.